Hi friends, Amit Mishra, a chief executive officer for a big company in Bangalore. So what happened to him? On a Saturday, actually he was working in his laptop. Suddenly, blood started coming out of his nose. So immediately he took a cotton and tried to do all kind of first aid, but the blood didn't stop. Immediately, he was rushed to Apollo hospitals, where it took 20 minutes to stop his blood. Then, when they checked his BP, his blood pressure was at 230, which is very, very high. So, immediately medication was given and ECG, echo, everything was taken. He was under continuous medical care and the BP reduced. The next day, he fainted because the blood pressure has come down heavily. So after all the treatment is over, he came home and he posted a LinkedIn post in which what he said was, see, this is what happened to me in Saturday, and anything can happen at any moment as far as medical emergency is concerned. So he told to the people to take care of their health. That is, he said, don't concentrate more about the work and don't lose your life. And what you should have is a work-life balance. If you don't have this work-life balance, what will happen is you will get stress. So this may happen to you also. So what you can do is learn the stress management techniques. So what are the stress management techniques? One of the stress management technique is the 1 minute mindfulness exercise. The link is given in the bottom in the comments, where you can see how to do this 1 minute mindfulness. Apart from this 1 minute mindfulness, also do this energy exercise on a daily basis. See, there are two types of energy exercise. This is one. The another one is cosmic energy exercise. These two exercise you do in the morning, which will help you to recoup your positive energy levels. Apart from that, also do the disassociation techniques. See, suppose for example, in your suppose you are in your home and there is a fight between you and your wife. Your wife is yelling at you, you idiot, what is this? And you are also yelling at your wife. So what will happen? Stress will increase. And both of you will be, instead of spending your time in the bed, you may be spending your time in the hospital. So practice disassociation technique. Disassociation technique is, this is association, this is a disassociation. So how to practice this disassociation technique? I have given a video in the link. Kindly watch it and practice disassociation technique. That will drastically improve your relationships and also reduce the stress levels. Then this is one of the very, very beautiful technique. Suppose for example, in your office, your boss is yelling at you, you idiot, how many times I should tell you? What is this? And he is yelling at you and you are under confusion. Whether he is a good man or bad man, I am not able to understand what to do. And you are also getting anger. You are also getting anger. It is piling up. What you can do is tell yourself, stop. Tell yourself, inside yourself, stop, stop, stop. You can look at him, just stay inside yourself, stop. Then physically go one step back. Step back. When you step back, you will come to awareness. Okay, now he is shouting. After 2 minutes, he will talk with me normally. Then step back, take a deep breath, and respond. Don't react. Stress is because of reaction, and when you respond, your stress level will not pile up. Okay. Sir, all these things are very nice. Even this technique, the video is available in the comments. So all these things are okay, but I'm not able to manage my stress levels. What to do? The easiest way is immediately book a free session with Emocare. You may be anywhere. You may be in Malaysia, you may be in Singapore, you may be in America, or you may be in Tamil Nadu, Bangalore, anywhere in the world. You can book a free session with Emocare. We will train you all these exercises to you through Zoom, and also we will check how that you are practicing it. This will considerably reduce your medical bill. So why are you waiting? Connect with Emocare. The number is given here. Visit our website www.emocare.co.in. Make your life beautiful.